The third step in conducting qualitative analysis is to skim through the interviews. So we are going to skim through the interview to have a rough idea or to understand the context of the interviews. I've already done this, so I won't take a lot of time here. So you skim through the interviews to understand the basic context of the interviews. After skimming the interviews, you are ready to go to the fourth step of qualitative data analysis, which is coming up with primary themes. Now, it's important to use what we call the hierarchical method of coding, where you have a primary theme and then the sub-themes under it. We want to determine the primary themes that we will use to code our data. In this case, the primary themes are evident because we have research questions that we want to focus on. So the research questions that you want to answer in your study will form the primary themes when coding the qualitative data in NVivo 14. So in this case, the two main research questions that will be considered in the coding process include: what are the experiences of people with digestive disorders? And the second question is, how do people with digestive disorders cope with them? So the first primary theme that is evident is experiences of people with digestive disorders. That's a primary theme. So we are going to insert this as a code, or we are going to create new code or a primary theme, and let's call this experiences of people with digestive disorders, and then click OK. Then right click, create new code, and we have the second primary theme, which is how do people with digestive disorders cope with them? Coping strategies of people with digestive disorders. Now, these are the two primary themes or the two primary codes that we are going to use to analyze our interview transcripts. So all the other codes that we will have in our interview transcripts will go to either coping strategies of people with digestive disorders or experiences of people with digestive disorders. It's important to have primary themes or primary codes that come from your research questions so that you can understand or you can have a clear idea of what you are looking for in the interview transcripts as you conduct your qualitative data analysis.